Ladies and gentlemen, I am in Doha, the Qatar, the city, the country which has been made world famous because of one simple reason, FIFA. Yes, apparently today is the Croatia and Brazil quarterfinal, but what I'm here is to play a different kind of match with this, the Lamborghini Tecnica. Which sits above the Evo RWD and sits a shade below the STO, which is apparently a very good mix because this has both the characteristics, is priced very right, and it's already making a lot of heads turn. Let me show you the car. Now, this one is a 20-inch diamond cut. It's a different kind of a wheel design, and it looks superbly gorgeous. You can just keep staring at the rims, and it sits very much to the ground. It's been really very well proportioned. Now this design apparently has been the design, the silhouette has been the same for about 25 years or more. Hats off to the designer to maintain that DNA, that legacy, still giving it that modern look which shouts attention. And a Lamborghini always shouts attention. This doesn't have those hybrid batteries of all of that from the 96 Ferrari GTB or the McLaren Artura. What it has is the naturally aspirated engine. That means it will emotionally connect with you. It doesn't even have turbocharge for a change, but it is super fun. It doesn't even have anything to store. Even if when your smartphone needs to move around, but when you sit inside the car, when you drive this beast, you don't want anything. You just want to drive. Let me show you a few things more about the car. Now, this has a carbon fiber. Both of them are carbon fiber, and this has resulted in a 10 kg weight reduction. This engine, this monster, still produces 631 brake horsepower, which is insane. I will not even mention how much torque it produces because this will just blow your mind off. And from the rear, these are not fake, these are real exhaust, and they spit fire, they spit venom in the literal sense, because this is definitely devastating looking exhaust. From the rear, the design has not undergone too much change. You really can't make a difference between the Huracan Evo and this. You need a connoisseur eye, and I'll tell you a few differences. But before that, we are going to drive in Doha, on the road that is, go all over the town, whatever we can drive. You know, Lamborghini comes with a lot of limitations. We have time bound. You can see the sun is setting, but whatever we can do, whatever time we can spend with this last piece of naturally aspirated engine V10, which is going to connect with you emotionally before those batteries come and take the space. Let's have some fun. Now this is the Lamborghini Tecnica, and here's the party trick. When you're driving on Strada mode, you really can't make a difference because this is driving very sedately like a gentleman's car. Not telling you that this is a monster which can throw out 631 brake horsepower. And the moment you put this in Corsa, like this, and the moment you do some rev, man. Now you see, this is what I mean. This is that sports car which you can park in your garage, take it out silently, make all the hooligan, make all the noise, and come back, park it back, without your parents, without your girlfriend, without your wife, without your neighbors knowing about it. Go back to sleep. The driving modes are actually located in the steering. So you have 3 modes, that's it. You have this Strada, which is what you do, drive when you want to sneak out. Then there's Sport, this is the Sport mode, which makes the exhaust more louder, the suspension more harder. And then the ultimate, the mental one, is the Corsa, which can really break your bones. Be careful about it. So let's go back to Strada so that we can have a conversation. And there's another thing that you must know about the Lamborghini Tecnica, that the moment you press the hammer, the RPM meter just shoots up. It touches 5,000, 6,000 RPM in no time. There is zero lag when you do a gear shift. There's no turbocharge. It's not a turbocharge engine, but you don't need it because it's very, the downshifts are very smooth. The upshifts are amazing, like this right now you can see. can't make a difference. Look at this, they both look the same. Beautiful piece of art. It's just that the hood is down, you can make it out. Now, which one to go? Maybe this one. As the final nod of combustive performance, the Tecnica is a revelation for the enthusiast lifestyle. Life experiences are ultra moments to be engulfed in, and for those occasions, the Tecnica fits perfectly to make you feel the victory podium of life.